Alright everybody, welcome back. This is David from Untitled RC, and today I've got for you the unboxing of the B36 military truck from WPL. Box is a little banged up. On a side note, I'm supposed to have a build video on this little guy. Here. I accidentally deleted the build video for. So instead I'll come out with a video that I'll show you what I did when I was building it, because I did not build it to stock specifications. I've got the 2-speed transmission in here, WPL metal gears in here, so we'll talk about that in a further video. Sorry about the build video though, I deleted that one, it's long gone. So now this guy, go ahead and open her up. The seal's already been broken there, so it looks like somebody lifted this. Alright, now let's see what comes in this box. Get that out of the way. Looks like they give you some sort of accessories, parts tree. Then you get the bottom half of the back end, the bed, I guess. And we get some scale parts, mirror, roof rack. That seems to be extremely bent. I don't know if you can see that in the picture, but that roof rack is bent. Yep, another bent part I found. So yeah, that's the interior. Some more scale accessories, the mirrors. What that looks like. Here it looks like you got some mud flaps and a rear tire carrier, some other scale accessories. And then we got some doors, some more scale accessories. This kit is pretty extensive, guys. Here's the cab. It looks like the roof, the doors, and the hood are all in this bag, banging around and scratching each other. And here are the tires. Wow, these tires are soft. Let's see about the same, maybe even softer than those tires. It's more like those tires. Oh, yeah, that bag is heavy, what the heck? And we got this right here. Well, at least that's really it that I noticed wrong with my kit. Still probably build it.